Review Hub. Brand name, MIUI. Model number, S55. Voltage, 220V. Voltage, V220V. Power of motor, HP 375W. Rating, RPM 3300 R/min. Frequency, Hz 50. Grinding chamber material, stainless steel. Feed type, continuous. Type of motor, commutator motor. Product diameter, 110 mm. Grinding chamber volume, 1000 milliliters. Processor type, household type. Grinding system, bladeless grinding system. Configuration, multifunctional water plug plus new T-fittings. Power cord length, 1 m. Hign-concerned chemical, none. Certification, C, RoHS. Origin, Mainland China. Feature, air switch control, auto-reverse grind system, can be connected dishwasher, overload protector, sound insulation, stainless steel grinding elements. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link.